Hello everyone, Lewis Crompton here, and this is not financial advice. You want to be successful, right? Maybe you already are, maybe you aren't just yet, but what needs to happen to make you feel like you are a success? I'm going to share some answers to that question in this video, and if you want to learn about how to do money better, how to make more of it in less time, then like this video and subscribe to the channel. I was first pondering this topic some years ago and writing down my thoughts while waiting for a flight to come home. I remember being quite distracted because I just bought a new set of Bose headphones and they were blocking out all the sound, and I was amazed by that. By the very merit of you watching this video, you are clearly an individual who wants to make a success of trading or of some area of your life. And that is really great stuff. However, desiring success in and of itself is a little pointless and can also be slightly depressing. We need to get specific with what it is we are wanting to succeed in and what that success looks like. Do you want to just make a positive growth on your bank account this year? Do you want to earn enough to go part-time, or do you want to be able to leave your job? Are you wanting to be the next Warren Buffett? Maybe you are, maybe you're not. The truth is, your success happening is up to you, but so is the definition of that success. You have to decide what success looks like for you. Really define it. Get clear on it. This will help you on your trading journey, your investment journey, for a number of reasons. Firstly, it is going to give you a measurable goal. Without that definition, being able to measure where your success is will be pretty much impossible. I'm going to paint a picture of 3 successful traders: Trader Bill, Trader Bobby, and Trader Ben. Let me know in the comments which one you identify the most with and which one angers you. There are some key things to take from each of them, and I will then introduce you to a third trader, and you can tell me if you think they are successful or maybe not successful. Now, all of these traders are real people. I've either traded alongside them or I've been mentoring them through their trading journey. I've changed their names to protect them though. So number 1, Trader Bill. This trader has been learning to trade for around 12 months now, and he has been following some coaching, some training material, and went live with his trading about 6 months ago now. Bill is quite risk averse, so it took him some time to get confident enough to place the trades, even though his trading mentor was encouraging him on a job well done in all of his demo trading and his analysis work. Trader Bill had a great first month. He made 12% in his first month in trading. So Trader Bill, if you're out there, you probably know I'm talking about you now. Now, Trader Bill was happy with this, but got a bit wobbly after and ended up only making 2% profit the following month. Trader Bill went back to the drawing board with support, and for the following month he worked on his mindset, and Trader Bill is now making a consistent 6 to 7% return each month from his trading. Now, his definition of success was to be making a consistent 5 to 10% each month. As I tell this story, I know at least a couple of my mentees will be feeling very highlighted right now, but it's only one of them I'm talking about. Now let's look at our second trader. So this is Trader Bobby. Now this trader is a swing trader. She is a little older and she has grown up with kids. Well, not grown up with kids, she has grown up kids, and she's very much looking forward to being a grandmother, but not too soon. She sees trading as a way to build a nest egg for the future, to care for her family after she is gone. She doesn't want to make an income from her trading just yet. Her definition of success is to make at least 20% on that pot, on that nest egg, per year. She gets a kick out of absolutely smashing the interest rate that her money would make in the banks and beating it entirely. Trader Bobby also does not want to spend too much time actually trading. She doesn't really like charts, but has spent the time learning how to read them, as she associates them with money making for the long term. Really good association to have. She's now been trading for 3 years and is currently operating an annual return across those 3 years of 25%, is in 25% an average for each of them. Her real name, by the way, is not Bobby, and she's very, very happy with those returns. In my mind, both of these traders are successful. Although in just 3 months, Trader Bill can achieve what Trader Bob is aiming for over a 12-month period, the point is success is what you decide it is. Now, introducing the third trader, Trader Ben. This trader is doing very, very well. They have been trading for 3 years, just like Trader Bobby. Trader Ben is stressed out though, unhappy, doesn't like trading much. Trader Ben finds trading to be a chore and feels like the past 3 years of investing in his education and his trading have been a bit of a waste of his time. His coach always seems positive, but Trader Ben is angry at his coach as well. Not a good situation to be in. Let's take a step back. If you are feeling like Trader Ben, what would your results look like to you? If I was feeling this way, I would have to be on a consecutive run of down months rather than profit months. What then could Trader Ben's results possibly be to make him feel so terrible over the past 3 years? So over the past 2.5 years, Trader Ben is actually operating at just below an average 8% monthly return. So what is Trader Ben's problem? The problem is his definition of success. Trader Ben has defined success as being to make nothing less than 10% per month every month for the rest of time. The reality is that traders I help to coach can make above 10% in a month, or even over 20% in a month. Just last month, one of my members of my trading community that I helped coach achieved a result of just under 26%. Phenomenal. Out of the 3 traders, Bill, Bob, and Ben, Trader Ben is actually the most consistent and the most successful by normal definitions. However, the happier traders are Trader Bill and Trader Bobby. They have defined their success and they are achieving that success, and that leads to them being happy. Your definition of success will directly impact your mindset, and it is important to remember how much of an emotional and a mindset game that trading is. You need to define your success in such a way that it helps you, that it benefits you, that it spurs you on, that it excites you and does not detract or pull away from your trading. To help this, I would recommend having in your early stages a process-based success definition as opposed to results-based success definitions. By this, I mean that your sense of success should come through following a tried and a tested process like the star trading method. Be methodical in your learning and in your approach. Even you traders who have been trading for a while now, you should never ever stop learning. And if you are listening to this video and you are admitting on some level that you need help and you therefore need further trading education or support, for example, your definition of success should be tied to how much chart time, how much learning time, how much analysis time you can achieve per day or per week, as opposed to making a particular percentage each month. In your first 6 to 12 months, the financial goal should be secondary to your process success definitions. Focus on the process and the results will come. I want you to take this moment to define your success as a trader or in any area that you are looking to succeed in. What will you be happy with as an annual or a monthly ROI on your capital? How quickly do you want to get there? Why do you want to get there? Often our success is wrapped up in other things. For example, you may want to become a full-time trader so that you can work from home and spend time with the kids on a day-to-day basis. Part of your definition of success may be to travel the world while making money from your trading and your laptop in each country that you visit. That was one for me. Success and our definitions of it are intensely personal and unique to us and to our desires, which is why comparison never ever works. If you want to learn more about how to do money better, how to make more of it in less time, then like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on alerts. And make sure you share this video with somebody that you think it can help, that you think it can inspire. Like and subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments if this video was helpful for you. My name is Lewis Crompton and this is not financial advice.